Machiegni kendo, piny owacho ogolo omenda mar jodongo kaachiel gi pesa mar konyo oganda mang'aw e pacho ka. Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua okoni maromo siling bilion 16.7 osegol kod migawo mar omenda kendo biro chopo e bengi kachop giko dweni. Omenda gi osedeko kuom thuolo mar dweche mayo 4.
We know we've had arrears that we have not paid from November to date, and we are happy to say that those funds are now ready. Government has released, Treasury has been able to give us 16.7 billion.
In addition, 11,185,000 will be paid as top-up for beneficiaries under the Nutrition Improvement through Cash and Health Education Complementary Program. The total for both programs for the 4 cycles is 16,737,041. The funds will be credited to accounts of 1,072,226 Inua Jamii beneficiaries.